Hey guys, welcome back. We got ourselves another Lego Batman update. We got ourselves an official rating. It is everyone 10 and up for fantasy violence, crude humor, and it's an in-game purchase. But we now know what the rating is. We are pretty much like 3 months away, not even. They are going to be dropping something on the 25th through the 26th for the IGN Fan Fest. Tune in February 25th through 26th for exclusive reveals of Lego Batman, Mortal Kombat 2, Scream 7, and much more. So that is definitely something I'm looking forward to, and I'll try to, well, if they drop it the 25th, I'll try to get that video out there as soon as possible for you guys. Anyways, we also have ourselves a couple of Valentine stuff. I know it's a little late, but there hasn't really been much going on. Tonight is just for just us. My love is growing. Get a nice look at Poison Ivy. Joker, you put a smile on my face. Catwoman, you're perfect. Get Nightwing and Batgirl. We make a dynamic duo. And lastly, you melt my heart from Mr. Freeze. So that's all that. Nothing too special, but we do get to see, or at least get to see a little closer on the characters and the details. Can't wait to play this game once it drops. But anything, like I said, once the rating dropped, I will drop a video up there as soon as possible. They apparently must have dropped it within the last couple hours. We now know that it is rated everyone a 10 and up. So that's awesome. And we are, like I said, we are less than 3 months away. We're practically there, guys. We just gotta make it. But yeah, that'll be it for the Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight update. Stay tuned for further updates. I'll try to get a video out there right around the IGN Fan Fest to update you guys. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next update. And also stay tuned because I'll be dropping my gameplay at least 30 minutes, 40 minutes on the 26th, 27th, depending how fast I can get that out there for you. Anyways, that'll be it. See you guys later.